How to create a document in Gemini and download it as a PDF. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Next, choose the model you want to use. You can click the model selector and pick any option you prefer. The main thing is, document creation works across models, so use whatever is available for you. Now, in the chat box, type your prompt or paste one you already prepared. Before you send it, make sure you turn on Canvas mode. Canvas is what turns Gemini's output into an editable document layout instead of a normal chat reply. Optional, if you want, you can upload a file as a reference, but you don't have to. Now, send your prompt, and Gemini will generate your document inside the canvas. Once it appears, you can edit it directly. You can do simple formatting like bold and italics, add text, and you can also highlight a section and ask Gemini to rewrite or expand only that part without changing the rest of the document. When you're done, click Export to Docs. This moves your Canvas document into Google Docs, where editing is much easier and cleaner. Now, to download it as a PDF, in Google Docs, click File, then Download, and choose PDF document.pdf. And that's it. You just created a document with Gemini, exported it to Google Docs, and downloaded it as a PDF. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.